All right, now let's see what's happening in the crypto space. I know I saw some interesting stories, but first let's see what the color of the market is at this time, and it is green. Stability is coming the way of many markets, including the crypto market. So we see Bitcoin is $109,400.37 after I gained just about 0.5%. Market dominance is 62.7. It's more of green today. Ethereum, XRP, Hive, and a whole lot more. But let's see some major stories that are making the headlines in the crypto space at this time. Top on the list is a Japanese firm that is set to test Bitcoin and XRP redemption via credit card point. Japan, once again, seems to be at the fore of cryptocurrency adoption, a new initiative that will enable users of A+, which is a credit card service under the Shinsei Bank Group, to redeem their loyalty points for digital assets, including Bitcoin, XRP, and the development shared by prominent crypto commentator reflects a growing trend in the country to integrate crypto into mainstream financial services. That's in Japan. And then also Emirates is doing something similar, talking about integrating cryptocurrency into transaction. Emirates Airlines signs an MOU with Crypto.com to enable crypto payments for Emirates, and they're supposed to work together to introduce crypto payments and launch promotional campaigns to boost adoption. Major international airline Emirates signed this memorandum of understanding with Crypto.com to bring this payment infrastructure with implementation expected next year. So that's another adoption into transaction or normal services. And then in New Zealand bans crypto ATMs, caps overseas transfers at $5,000. Let's talk about this and a whole lot more with Solomon Amunde. Hi, Solomon. Good afternoon and welcome to the program.
Good afternoon, Ini.
So we see a lot of adoption, different ways. We see Emirates now. We also see Japan. So it looks like the future is here for cryptocurrency, if I may say so myself.
Yeah, the future is here, but the infrastructure isn't 100% ready yet. But I mean, the industry players are getting more involved. The big companies are getting more involved, and there are still lots of opportunities. But it's an exciting moment that we are in currently, seeing the level of adoption.
I hope Nigeria is not missing out.
Well, apparently, we won't miss out this time around. We won't miss out.
But you talk of infrastructure. Are we getting our eggs in a row? Are we, putting things set so that we can also follow through? Because even if we pronounce it, if we don't have the infrastructure and the work, then we may not be able to connect.
Yeah, but the good thing with cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology is anyone can actually come up and build that infrastructure. So, for example, like Nigeria, we have Asset Chain, which is actually built by Ogochukwu, which is actually live. It's working. The mainnet is live, and I think we have the CNG, and that's a Naira stablecoin running on the blockchain. So you can see that we are not actually taking the last position here, looking at Africa as a continent. We're actually positioning ourselves. I just hope that the government can be able to extend more support to individual developers that are pulling their strengths and resources to build some form of infrastructure for Nigeria.
All right. Well, Solomon, thank you for that optimism there. Where do you see the price of Bitcoin going next?
Yeah, currently we are still struggling to create a new all-time high. We've been ranging between 107,900 and about $109,500. But what I'm expecting is a break above the previous all-time high. I'm expecting that this third quarter, Bitcoin should create a new all-time high this third quarter, which should be able to allow altcoins like Ethereum to proceed to go past $3,000. So I'm very optimistic about Bitcoin creating a new all-time high this third quarter that we're doing. Yeah.
I guess me too. I'll look forward to that new all-time high, Solomon. Thank you so much for your time and views on the program.
Thank you very much, Ini.